All right, Dave, thank you very much. As Dave just mentioned, with the temperatures hovering at dangerously low levels, frostbite is a real concern this morning. We want to help you stay safe. It's nothing to take lightly. Frostbite can happen in just minutes and cause serious problems. Dr. Doris J. Day, a dermatologist at Lenox Hill Hospital, is here now with some simple tips on preventing frostbite. Good morning. I'm glad you got here safely.
Thank you.
And as you can see, you got a taste of this frostbite-causing weather this morning.
Absolutely.
What are some of the signs, perhaps, that you may be risking frostbite?
Well, frostbite there's degrees of frostbite, and there's a common perception that frostbite occurs in the mountains or people who are out skiing only, and that your fingers turn purple or your toes and then they fall off. But the reality is that there's degrees of frostbite, and that it's much more common than people think, and it happens right here in New York. The first signs that you might be in trouble is that you might have your skin turning very red and then whitish and then even bluish. If you feel your skin or the extremity, for example, your ears, your fingers, your toes, actually becoming hard, that's a sign of advanced frostbite, and then it's very important to get to hospital right away. We're
also seeing swelling, itching, burning, and pain as the skin starts to warm up. Is that right?
Right. And the important thing is that when you rewarm the skin, that people think that you should rewarm it slowly. Actually, you should rewarm it quickly in about 100-degree water.
Okay.
And be careful not to put your hands on a radiator or use a hairdryer, because then you can actually burn the skin. Because one of the signs of frostbite is that you may lose sensation. So you think you're warming up your hand, you think it's warm against the radiator, but you're actually burning your skin.
Well, doctor, how can you prevent frostbite in the first place?
Okay, first and most importantly, when you go out, make sure you have lots of layers on. Start with the thinner layers closer to your skin, ideally cotton or wool, something that's going to help absorb the sweat away from your skin should you get warm. And then you wear thicker layers as you go out. If it's warmer, you can take off layers or put them back on. The other thing is make sure you stay dry, because cold or wet actually will lose heat much faster than dry.
All right.
So stay dry, keep layers, and put them on and take them off as you need to.
And just quickly, you mentioned a buddy system. What's that all about?
Well, look at your neighbor. Look at the person who's standing with you or the person that you're with. Because sometimes, again, with frostbite, you may not have sensation. And children also usually don't complain of being cold, especially very young children. So you have to look at their skin, because you can see the change in color. And you'll know to get them inside, to rewarm them, and to protect them.
Get them straight to the hospital just in case. Dr. Day, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tips on preventing frostbite and what to do in case you do get it, unfortunately. And again, Dr. Day is from Lenox Hill Hospital. If you'd like to review any of our important tips, go to the video library on our website at cbsnewyork.com. Once again, thank you, and we will be right back.
News on CBS2 is brought to you by Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula for stretch marks.
Pregnancy. It's a beautiful thing. It can also leave ugly stretch marks. Anyone can get them, but you can help prevent them. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, massage cream, and massage lotion for stretch marks blend 4 key ingredients to increase skin elasticity, helping prevent and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. So your pregnancy is as beautiful as can be. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula for stretch marks, dermatologically tested.
The RV lifestyle is the best way to see America. See John Holland's Alaska and Baja RV Adventures and meet dealers from all over the region at the New Jersey Trailer and Camping Show this Friday through Sunday at the New Jersey Convention Center in Edison.
Siemens is bringing New York City public schools into the 21st century with a communication system that includes internet access in classrooms and eventually wireless internet access. Your child's potential will be limitless. Thanks to Siemens, learning doesn't stop at 3. Because of our communication system, New York's Dial-A-Teacher program provides continued educational support outside the classroom. Siemens keeps this city in motion.
All around the world, Siemens provides hospitals and doctors with the tools they need to make the right decisions right away. From diagnostics to patient information to care management, we're doing our part to help people everywhere feel
This is definitely a turf war.
Arnold Harris grew up in the neighborhood. Now he pastors at a local church and tries to reach the gang members.
They need jobs, they need support, they need stability.
It's a lofty goal.
3 boyfriends! guys, 3 points. Okay, let's go.
In the meantime, the children play and duck while parents watch and worry.
There's only so much you can do. You want your kids to come outside and have fun and play. But then again, you know, you don't want nobody to get hit with a stray bullet.
It's gotten bad, and I think it's sad. We can't live in a peaceful neighborhood.
To that end, the Durham Police Gang Unit is actively investigating not only this latest shooting, but all gang-related violence in this city. Reporting in Durham, Rux Russell, NBC 17 News.